But why are you here? Mental strength to be pushed to the limit. Keep your eyes open.
It's coming, it's going haywire.
Retreat! It's hunting us, and it won't stop. No comms, no flares, no firearms.
Wait, who are you?
I'm Beckett.
Your eternity?
Welcome to Cine Select. You wanted the real deal for February 2026 and I delivering the full connected stories for the biggest month of the year so far. The deep plots and the bone-crunching action that connects every scene. If you live for mind-bending sci-fi and R-rated brutality, then it lists for you. But first, smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestions.
You gotta be shitting me.
Number 6. Good luck, have fun, don't die.
People are with each other. You know the world's going to shit. What means a damn is you people choosing to come along for this ride.
There is a chance you will die tonight.
Those are real bullets!
But I truly believe you could be the group that saves the fucking...
It is a sci-fi action-adventure movie releasing on February 13, 2026. The plot follows a man from dystopian future who burst into a giddy Los Angeles diner, claiming he has exactly one night to stop a rogue AI from being born. He had lived this night 170 times in a loop, and he knows that only the specific group of losers in this dinner can help him reach the target. As they step outside, the city is already being overwritten by the AI. It is a sci-fi action-adventure movie with a dark comedy. If you love sci-fi adventure movie with the chaotic humor like Guardian of the Galaxy and the Terminator, then it is must watch. Number 5. Crime 101.
Items. He knows exactly what they're transporting when. There's no DNA. He's in and out in seconds.
Business proposition. Worked at the same company for 11 years. You're a VP when you should be a partner.
Start by handing me your phone.
So you're a thief.
It is a gritty crime thriller movie releasing on February 13, 2026. Davis, played by Chris Hemsworth, is a master javel thief who works the Pacific Coast Highway. He has set of rules called Crime 101. No greed, no partners, and no killing. But for one last $100 million score, he breaks his rules and teams up with a volatile partner and a mysterious broker. Then what happened in the movie? See in the movie. If you love tactical hit thriller movie with the realism of heat and the intense gunplay like John Wick, then it is must watch. At number 4. How to Make a Killing. It is an action thriller movie releasing on February 20, 2026. Beckett Redfellow, played by Glenn Powell, it is a blue-collar mechanic who was disowned at birth by his billionaire family. When he learns he is the rightful heir to a $28 billion inheritance, he does not go to court, he goes to war. He decides to prune the family tree by eliminating the 7 relatives standing in his way. If you love brutal revenge action movie with slick style and hits like a lead pipe, it is must watch. At number 3. The Huntsman. It is a psychological horror action movie releasing on February 6, 2026. The plot follows a nurse volunteers to help a coma patient who is the primary suspect in a string of brutal murder. The patient's wife insists he is innocent, while a upset detective believes he is the huntsman, a killer who treats his victims like prey. If you love twisted mystery thriller movie, then it is must watch. At number 2. The Strangers Chapter 3. It is a horror survival action movie releasing on February 6, 2026. Maya is done being a victim, After surviving 2 chapters of torture, she leads the 3 mass killers into a remote, booby-trapped town. If you love survival action movie with brutal horror thriller, then it is must watch. At number 1, Eternity.
Just breathe.
I never dreamt you this clearly.
I've been doing the research.
Larry!
What do you mean, Larry? We were together a week ago.
Well, a lot has happened in a week. You died, I died, It's a good opener.
You're a lurker, pal. You're waiting.
It is a sci-fi action drama movie releasing on February 13, 2026. The plot follows a world where the afterlife is a reality. Johan has just died. She is taken to a processing center where every soul is given exactly 1 week to decide where they want to spend eternity. It is a high-concept sci-fi movie with action drama. If you love high-concept sci-fi like Inception or The Good Place,